Welcome students. It's a very small tutorial and we are going to learn how to stabilize a shot, and this is a very common practice among video editors. Let's try to do this in FCP10. Okay, so I have a shot in front of me, this one, and it's pretty shaky. If you can see, it's moving a little bit up and down. So let's try to stabilize this. I'm going to click on this clip and I'm going to go to inspector and I'm going to find stabilization. I'm going to tick mark this, and FCP10 is right now analyzing for dominant motion. So let's wait till FCP does that. You can see it's almost showing us. So for complete tutorial, please visit my Udemy page and you'll find my course there. You can also check the description and there's a link to my Udemy course. So please click on the link and check the course for yourself. Thank you guys.